Holy Bible Matthieu chapter 27 verses 1 to 66 When the morning walk home, alt chief priest en elder of the people to counsel against Jesus to puim to dit, and when they had bound him, they led him away, and delivered him to Pontius Pilate the governor. Then Judah, which had betrayed him, when Sotama condemned, repented himself, and brought against 30 pieces of silver to the chief priest and elder, saying, I have sinned in I have betrayed the innocent blood. And they said, Why tatus? Ce tututa. And he cast down the piece of silver in the temple, and departed, and wanged himself. And the chief priest took the silver piece, and said, It is no lawful for to put them into the treasury, because it is price of blood. And they took counsel, and but within the potter field, to bury stranger in. Wherefore the field wakal, the field of blood, and tout ide. Then fulfit which was spoken by Jeremiah the prophet, saying, And they took the 30 piece of silver, the price of him to a value, omete of the children of Israel did value, and gave them for the potter field, at the Lord appointed me. And Jesus stood before the governor, and the governor asked him, saying, Art thou the king of the Jews? And Jesus said unto him, Thou sayest. And when was accused of the chief priest and elder, and sweared nothing. Then said Pilate unto him, I rest to know anything to witness against thee? And he sweared him to never avor, and so much that the governor marvel greatly. Now at a feast the governor was on tourels and tout the people prisonnier, homme te would. And te had a notable prisonnier, cal Barabbas. Therefore when te vergatere to jete, Pilate said unto them, Homme will it irrels unto you? Barabbas, or Jesus which he call Christ? For kneta for invite a delivered him. When was set done on judgment si, he with sang unto him, saying, I have to nothing to do with a justment, for he have suffered many things today in Adream because of him. But chief priest and elder persuaded multitude that should ask Barabbas, and destroy Jesus. The governor en sweared and said unto them, What of the twin will it irrels unto you? They said, Barabbas. Pilate said unto them, What shall I do then with Jesus which he call Christ? They all said unto him, Let him be crucified. And the governor said, Oui, what have I done? But they cried out the more, saying, Let him be crucified. When Pilate saw could provide nothing, but arrêté a tumult mad, to quater, and washed him before the multitude, saying, I am innocent of the blood of the just person, se it. Then on sweared alt people, and said, I blood be on us, on our children. Then all said Barabbas un totem, and when had scourged Jesus, delivered him to be crucified. Then the soldier of the governor took Jesus into the common hall, and gathered unto him the whole band of soldiers. And they stripped him, and put on him a scarlet robe. And when they had platted a crown of thorn, they put upon his head, and harried in his right hand, and they bowed the knee before him, and mocked him, saying, I, King of the Jews. And they spit upon him, and took tread, and smote him on the head. And after that they had mocked him, they took the robe off from him, and puis honored him, and led him away to crucify him. And at they came out, the fundament of Cyrene, Simon Binam, him they compelled to be recross. And when they were come unto a place called Golgotha, they to say, a place of a skull, they gave him vinegar to drink mingled with gall, and when he had a state of, would no drink. And they crucified him, and parted égarement, casting low, they might be fulfill which was spoken by the prophet, they parted mégarement à montem, en upon mi vesture dit et cast low. En sitting down they watched him ter, en set up over the accusation written, ti Jesus the king of the Jews. Then verter twotive crucifié with him, on te right hand, en annoté on te let. En te tapast be revealed him, wagging serried, en saying, tout a destroyest the temple, en buildest it in 3 days, safety self. If to be the son of God, come down from the cross. Like is a so the chief priest mocking him, with the scribe and elder, said, Save daughter, I en self cano save. If but the king of Israel, let him now come down from the cross, and we will believe him. Trusted in God, let him deliver him now, if we have him, for said, I am the son of God. Totiv also, oui chèvre crucifié oui Tim, caste sa mini-tête. No from te six tour te roi darkness ove alt land un tout un tour. En about un tour Jésus criait oui talou voice, saying, Eli, Eli, lama sabachthani? Taï tout c'est, mi God, oui as tu forsaken. Some of tentas tutor, when te irta, said, timon calet for Elia. En straightway on of ten rang, en toque sponge, en fit it vingar, en puis ton aride, en gave him to drink. Te reste said, leb, leus wete Elia will comme tu save him. Jésus, when hard crié again with a low voice, il de up ghost. En, behold, te veille of the temple warin toin from the top to the bottom, en te earth did quake, en te rock, en te grave europene, en many body of the saint which slept a rose, en came out of the grave after resurrection, en one to holy city, en après d'un to many. No when te centurion, en tête aver with him, watching Jésus, so earthquake, en to the thing taver done, te fire greatly, saying, truly what son of God. En many women were building afar off, which followed Jesus from Galilee, ministering unto him, among which Mary Magdalene, en Marie mote of Jamanjos, en te mote of the body children. When te venua come, trka marichement of Arimathea, named Joseph, who also himself was Jésus disciple, put to Pilate. En get a body of Jesus. Then Pilate commanded a body to be delivered. En when Joseph had taken the body, wrapped it in a clean linen cloth, en let it in a new tomb, which had out in the rock, en hero la grace on tout door of the sepulchre, en departed. En 3 Marie Magdalene, en tote Marie, sitting away against the sepulchre. Not the next day, ta followed day of the preparation, the chief priest en Pharisee came to jeter un to Pilate, saying, Sire, the remember tata de said, will wyatt alive, after 3 days will rise again. Comment te refort at sepulcre bemade sur un tilt tirde, lesti disciple comme benight, en stellimawe, en saint tout peuple, irisen from te deed, so te last terror shall be worse tante first. Pilate said un tout them, I have a watch, go your way, magita sur aikan. So teo, en mad te sepulcre sur, selling te stone, en setting a watch. Thank you for watching the audio, please subscribe for more audio.